Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Today, I am going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on an Audi Q7. This is the 2019, but I think over the years, the procedures are very similar. It will take you 1 minute, honestly tell you, if after you know how to do that. This is the part I use. No, I don't buy so-called genuine Audi one, but this is the OEM one anyway, meaning that this company make part for Audi. Now I will give you a link to Amazon to buy the exact same one, so you don't need to search, and the link is in the description. So let's get started. Right now, I am right in front of the passenger seat. And this is right below the glove box, and you see this plastic foam out here. There are 3 push pins, one here, and one at the back somewhere. Okay, here. Okay, so I'm going to take that one out first. Just take it out easily. This one and this one, and just snap the plastic piece, and it comes right off. I'm going to put it behind. Now this one is the box for the cabin air filter, and you don't need any tool. There are only tab out here, and this is one tab. Be careful, don't break anything. The first few ones might appear to be more difficult, but you just do one at a time. Just tap and another tab, and then you'll be getting a lot easier, trust me. It's easier when you do it because the camera obviously block everything. And the other one, okay. So it will come right off like this, and this is the cabin air filter. I replaced it just a few days ago, so it have to be clean inside. I will show you a picture of a dirty one later, the one that I took out a few days ago. So all you need to do is take it out, and remember the direction. This side, on the right side, is the dirty side, and this is the clean side. So the airflow go in that direction. When you get the cabin air filter, it actually have label tell you the direction of air. So make sure you don't make a mistake on that one. But other than that, you just reverse the order and put the new one in. And as I told you just now, in order to make this video, I actually open up my brand new cabin air filter and show you the procedure. So because of that effort, please make sure you like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. And yes, again, link to the products in the description for you to Amazon, so you don't need to search. See you in the next video. Bye bye.